Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to create the most beautiful pinky burgundy eyeshadow look ever. This is a halo technique, so let me show you how to create it. So we're going to start off with this really dark purple, which is almost like a smoky purple. And we're going to use that on a cryolan brush and apply that on the inner 1/3 of the lid. Take it up all the way till your crease, and we're going to repeat the same thing on the outer corner. Ensure that both the lengths are equal on the inner and the outer side. That way it gives you a nice clean halo when you're going to finish it up. Keep adding the color, that way you can get a good intensity and it looks extremely dark. We want to create that smokiness, so it's important that we start by placing the color. Now I'm going to pick up this beautiful rosy pink and we're going to start applying that and use that as my crease color. Start placing that correctly on the edges of the purple, and you can slowly start to blend the color out. This will blend easily because purples and pinks blend really well. So just go ahead with windshield wiper motions and you will be able to blend these two colors. Add a good intensity of color because we want the look to be a lot more bold and rich in pigment. Now next I'm going to soften that pink out with a dusty rose, and we're going to use that as our transition color and slowly start to blend out the edges. If your skin is lighter than mine, go ahead and use a peach eyeshadow to do the same. Now let's add some shimmer. I'm taking this extremely sparkly, iridescent, purpley pink shimmer and we're going to apply that right on the middle. So moving on to the Renee Midnight Kajal, this has kind of been my current favorite pick. It's perfect if you don't want your kajal to smudge out. So we're going to go ahead and create a thin liner on the upper lash line. And now I'm going to do my entire waterline, including the inner corner. I kind of wanted like a very nice definition all along the eye, and apply that a little outwards also and slowly blend that out. And then you can just go ahead with a little bit of the purple to smudge it out further. Jumping in with the Mama Earth's mascara, we're going to create around 1 to 2 coats of mascara and throw on a pair of false lashes. The one I'm wearing is from Fiumi Beauty. And this is the completed look. It's such a beautiful halo eye and it's just really fun to play with some color once in a while. And this is definitely something which is wearable and it also does have a little bit of color going on. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye bye.